how to update your personal details on HSBC Bank. Now, I'm going to be giving you information on updating your personal info on HSBC using your mobile bank application and as well as using online banking via the official website. So, of course, first things first is go into your HSBC account and make sure that you're logged in. Now, if you're using online banking using your laptop or PC, just simply navigate to the details, which you can select your name or personal details or account services menu, and then just simply choose on personal and address details or a similar option. You should now then be able to check or to see a button that says edit, and then just simply update it on what specific information you'd like to be updated. Now just simply hit on confirm so that you can complete the transaction or the setup. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to update your personal details on HSBC Bank.